Hi guys, welcome to Food Menu channel. Today my recipe is very interesting snack. Take 1 cup of all-purpose flour and a half teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of garam seeds. Crush on hands. Then add it. Then take 2 tablespoons of oil or ghee. If you add ghee when we are going to fry this snack, it will give good fragrance and very tasty. Mix well. Apply ghee to all entire flour. Now add water gradually. We should make stiff dough for this snack. See, very stiff dough. Keep aside for 15 minutes. Then take a kadai, then add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Fry them. Then add chopped 2 to 3 green chili and chopped curry leaves, 2 stems, and 1 cup chopped onion. It is very easy snack. Everyone can do this snack and a very interesting snack. Children definitely like this snack. Then add 300 grams of boiled potato and add masalas. A half teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste, and half teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of amchur powder. Instead of amchur powder, you can use lemon juice, 1 or 2 tablespoons. Then mix well. We should mash potato very well. Finally, add fresh coriander. It should be finely chopped coriander. Now knead 1 or 2 minutes the mixing dough. Then cut into equal parts. Roll them, make a balls. Then only we can easily make this recipe. Use powdered all-purpose flour. Then take a ball. Then roll it very thin layer. See how much thin is there. Now add 1 tablespoon of prepared curry. Then shape it. Then apply the water on the edges. Fold it as shown. First left side, right side, then top side. Before folding top side, we should apply water again, then fold it, then turn it, then back side apply the water, then fold to back side. It will evenly cover with our roti. Then I am going to show you one more. one bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of curry, shape it, then apply water on edges, then fold as shown. Slowly make it. Everyone can do this. Apply water, then fold it. Then turn to bake. Then apply water, then fold it. You should tightly fold. Then keep the oil on lukewarm. Then add all the prepared parcels. Then leave it. It will come up automatically. Once it came up, then turn it on low flame only. We should fry them. It will take 10 to 12 minutes time. Once fried, we can take from oil, then stove off. Then if you have one more batch, and keep the oil to lukewarm, then add and second batch. It's a superb tea time snack. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos. You can see how much crispy outside, and our curry is very hot. Serve with tea. Thank you for watching.